It's likely that market will open gap up and then it might find resistance at 24,960 around, and then we might get an intraday correction. Then around 11:30, 11:15, we can expect another big rally, which may take us to 24,960 and 25,010. So that is my trading plan. I doubt if this gap will get filled today, but it's possible when in the correction it can get filled, intraday correction. I definitely don't expect the negative side to be triggered today, but let's see live. So my plan is to wait for a pullback to this area here, and then on a positive candlestick move, trade long. So that's the outlook for the day. Bye bye.